it's a way you live.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kionna Sharice, and today I'm doing a special unboxing for y'all. I mentioned in my last video that I am a new brand ambassador for Black Unicorn Magics. This is a small woman-owned, Black-owned business, and they specialize in creating mystical, magical pieces. We have things like jewelry, home decor, other types of accessories, really cute stuff. So the owner of the store let me pick out the items that I wanted to show y'all. They were sent to me for free so that I could show them to you all. And I recently got the box, so I'm gonna do a live unboxing on here for y'all. What is live? Because the video's not live, but you know what I mean. Like I said, I did pick everything out myself, but it's been like a week or two, so I remember like half of it. The other half will kind of be a surprise. So I'm just really excited to show y'all what I have. My handy dandy safety box cutter. Let's get this going. Okay, we got the box open. I am ready to get unboxing. It's crazy. Like, I was feeling so blah this morning, but it's like as soon as I get on camera, I'm ready. Like, I like filming. I just don't like getting ready to film. The first thing we have, ooh, one. Ooh. So first up, we have this item. I actually don't have like the names of everything, so I didn't order it, so I don't have a slip. But it's like a decorative piece, and it can also hold a lot of things. So your phone can like go here and sit up. Like I would put this on my computer desk and have little knickknacks and stuff that I needed to stand up in here, because I see like some index cards or note cards, post-it notes, something like that leaning up in here if you don't want to put your phone. This is something I think you can get real creative with. Like you could do whatever you want. So this is really cute. And I just really want to point out the glitter inside. It's like pink and blue. Really interesting. And oh yeah, this is what the back looks like if you want to see that. All right, the video just cut out. I forgot my phone doesn't really like me filming in 4K, and I don't see the last clip right now, so hopefully it shows up, because it usually does show up later. Anyways, the next item is one of my favorites so far. It's a coaster slash like knickknack holder. You can do with these things what you want, of course, but I really love purple and blue, and I just think the color scheme is really interesting, so that's why I picked this one out. But I just think this is so cute. And later on like TikTok and Instagram reels and etc., I'll show you what I end up doing with these items. Next up, we have another, yeah, I know this white doesn't really show up well on my camera, but it's like a white or clear, I'm not sure, because it's like white and clear, you know, but it's a knickknack holder. It's in the shape of a heart, but it also kind of looks like angel wings. You can see the feather detail. Yeah, you can get the detail right there. And I just thought this would be cute for a knickknack holder. I'm one of those people who has like a bunch of little things and they end up everywhere because I don't have a space for them. So I just thought this would be cute to put maybe on my desk, or I'm not sure yet. I have like a little stand over here, but this is that. She sent me so much stuff. I'm so grateful. Next up, we have some jewelry. Comes in this kind of bag. Everything's been wrapped up really nice and protected. Everything was wrapped up nicely, and there's a lot of like of the, what do you call it? Not bubbles, but the inflatable bat. I'm tripping. But like these kind of things to help protect your items in transit. So it was protected pretty well. And ooh, this is my Sagittarius necklace. If y'all didn't know, I am a Sagittarius. So I want to make sure we get that good detail right there. So on the main part, it says Sagittarius, and it has the Sagittarius astrological sign. And then we have like a little gem coming down, and it has the clip, so you could take this gem off if you wanted to. Let's see if it's big neck friendly. Okay, purr. Because, you know, a lot of my stuff is supposed to be a chain, but it ended up being close to a choker. So I appreciate that. I think this is adorable. I do remember these came when she was showing them to me. She had 2 more colors of the astrological sign necklaces. So keep that in mind. And also this is what the back of it looks like if you wanted to see that. And if I didn't say before, everything is handmade by the owner, Sharice. Next up, we have Oh, this is a magnet for your fridge, or where else can you put magnets? But I picked out this one because once again, I like the colors. Purple, pink, and blue are kind of my thing. So I thought this one was cool because you can kind of see the liquid moving inside. Like this one was more, what do you call it? Like the snowball sort of effect, like the stuff inside moves. So I just thought this was cute. I do like to put printed out pictures or pictures that I get from family, friends on my fridge. So I use magnets for stuff like that. Next up, we're getting into sort of herby, spiritual type of things, because she asked me if I was into that stuff, and I said, you know, I was exploring. So she sent me a couple things. This, I believe, is Palo Santo. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's what this is. I'm pretty sure, if I wish I remember the conversation better, but I'm pretty sure this is Palo Santo. Smells really nice and clean. And along with that, she sent me some crystals. I know the pink one is rose quartz. I believe we have an amethyst. Why are they so in the bag? Okay, here we go. There we go. So I'm pretty sure this is a rose quartz. Maybe like that. And I believe this is an amethyst. I feel like my brown face is making the best background. And I believe this should be a clear quartz. You can see it's clear. And these last two, I'm not 100% sure what they are. I will have to look them up, but I do have a crystal book. So those are the crystals she sent me. We have some more jewelry. Here we have a necklace, and it hangs like, let me make sure I turn it around right. It hangs like this, but it is a moon, and let me put it up closer. It's a moon it's pretty much clear with purple glitter in it, and this is a skull sitting in the middle of it, but it sits more like that when you're wearing it. And we have another necklace. This one kind of looks like this, so I'll bring it in closer. So we have a black gummy bear with some gold glitter, a dice with pink hearts, and this is an angel wing that's pink with like silver, multicolored bigger pieces of glitter in it. I just want to make sure that we are seeing this right. You know what? I forgot all about my nails before I started this. I had some press-ons and they've been through it. But the other ones, they hurt too much. It doesn't like hurt to take off, but it feels icky to pull them off. I don't know how to describe it, so I'm trying to just let them loosen up on their own. But I forgot all about that until we got that close up. But I just thought this is really interesting, so I picked this one out. And I have one item left, which is going to be my big item for this box. Here we have a tray. It's like a moon shaped tray. If you didn't know, I'm into moon stuff because I love Sailor Moon. But you can see my blanket behind me. So I picked this out because once again, it's all the colors I love: pink, blue, purple, and it's looking real. It's giving me like night sky vibes. You know what I mean? Like it's giving galaxy. You feel me? So I thought this would be really nice, maybe on my bedroom dresser possibly, because my furniture in there is black, or I might put it on this stand. I don't know, but this, is that the thumbnail? This is really cool. Oh yeah, it's like, I should tell you more, right? This is the back. The base is made out of like black wood, or I'm guessing painted wood, because wood isn't black, you know. It feels like wood. And I believe everything, or the majority of items, are made out of like resin. And you know, that's enough of that. I'm here to tell you if it's cute. That's everything I have to show you for this box. I will be getting another box in, I think, like a month or so. So I'll be doing another unboxing on here. But in the meantime, like I said before, I'll be showing you these items over on TikTok and Instagram, how I end up using them, you know, creating some content. So I will leave the link below for the store and all the socials and things you need for the store. If you are interested in any items, please use my code Kionna Magic 25. I actually don't know if I know how to write text down here on iMovie, but it may be over here. I'm gonna try, but my code will get you 25% off of items in the store. So once again, I'm grateful for Black Unicorn Magic sending these items over to me so I can show them to y'all. And yeah, this is my first brand ambassador type partnership. So I appreciate any support on this. And that's gonna be it for this video. So if you liked the video, please like and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, if you would like to. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.